Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Solo Leveling Volume 1 is probably one of the most anticipated light novel releases for fans of the series, promising to dive deeper into the compelling world of Sung Jinwoo and his incredible journey from the weakest hunter to the strongest. This first volume sets the stage for an epic adventure, filled with intense action, intricate plot developments, and the introduction of a unique magic system that will captivate readers from the very first page, making it a must-have for any true fan looking to experience the origin story in its purest form. Number 5. FIFINE AmpliGame A6T USB Gaming Microphone Kit. It started right out of the box with this easy-to-use USB microphone. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and PlayStation, and features a reversible Type-C connector for hassle-free setup, even in low light. Enhance your gaming setup with dynamic two-tone RGB lighting. This microphone adds a cool, eye-catching glow to your stream, helping your content stand out and creating the perfect gaming atmosphere. Easily manage your audio with the convenient touch mute button and a large volume knob. Adjust settings quickly without interrupting your gameplay or workflow. Experience rich, warm vocal reproduction thanks to the upgraded condenser capsule. Its cardioid pattern ensures it picks up your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, perfect for team communication. Achieve the ideal microphone placement with the adjustable boom arm, offering nearly 180 degrees rotation. The included shock mount and pop filter further reduce unwanted vibrations and plosive sounds for cleaner audio. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm, and a long USB-C cable. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into your gaming station. What we like. This microphone kit offers a truly plug-and-play experience, making setup a breeze. Its eye-catching RGB lighting adds a vibrant aesthetic to your setup. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to get high-quality audio for streaming or gaming with a touch of visual flair, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The story is a great introduction to the world and characters. The artwork is stunning and really brings the action to life. It's a fast-paced read that keeps you hooked from the beginning. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Introducing the Adventurer 5M series, designed for a truly hassle-free 3D printing experience. Enjoy automatic bed leveling for perfect first layers, every time, without any manual adjustments. Experience printing at an astonishing 600mm. This machine maximizes efficiency and precision, making it perfect for rapid prototyping and even mass production. With quick-release nozzles and fast heat-up times, it's built for stable, high-speed printing. The adaptable platform makes removing your creations a breeze. Achieve top-tier print quality thanks to its advanced extruder and dual fan system. Monitor your prints in real time from your mobile device for a seamless creative process. Keep your printer performing at its best with simple maintenance. If you need assistance, our comprehensive FAQ section is ready to help you troubleshoot any issues. What we like. Experience lightning-fast 3D printing with its impressive 600mm speed and Core XY structure. The fully automatic leveling ensures perfect first layers every time, saving you time and frustration. If you're a hobbyist or professional who needs to rapidly prototype or produce multiple items efficiently, this printer's speed and ease of use make it a standout option. What people say. The art style is absolutely stunning, with detailed character designs and dynamic action sequences that really bring the story to life. The pacing of the story is excellent, building suspense and excitement with each chapter. It's a real page-turner. The world building is intricate and fascinating, with a unique magic system and a compelling narrative that keeps you hooked from the very beginning. Number 3. Huepar HM03CG 3D Green Laser Level. Experience unparalleled visibility with its brighter green laser, designed for exceptional stability even with temperature fluctuations. Its robust construction ensures durability and a comfortable grip for any task. This tool offers comprehensive room coverage with three 360-degree lines, easily controlled for your convenience. Achieve precise measurements up to 98 feet, with an option to extend the range outdoors using a detector. Effortlessly switch between self-leveling mode for quick setup and manual mode for angled alignments. This adaptability makes it perfect for a wide range of indoor and outdoor construction projects. Work for up to 8 hours continuously on a single charge, thanks to its efficient rechargeable battery. Convenient Type-C charging allows you to power up from various sources like laptops or power banks. Easily mounted on a tripod using the 1/4 to 20 thread, or utilize the strong magnetic bracket for quick attachment to metallic surfaces. Multiple fixing methods ensure it can be positioned exactly where you need it. This comprehensive kit includes the laser level, a magnetic bracket, and a durable hard carry case for easy transport and storage. Everything you need to get started on your projects is right here. To ensure optimal performance and avoid multiple lines, please use this device away from reflective surfaces like mirrors or glossy tiles. Operated in non-reflective environments for the clearest results. What we like. This laser level projects three 360-degree green laser lines, offering comprehensive coverage for any job. Its self-leveling capability ensures accuracy with minimal effort. If you're a contractor, DIY enthusiast, or anyone who needs precise alignment for construction, renovations, or hanging tasks, this tool provides excellent visibility and convenience. What people say. The story is amazing and the art is beautiful, with detailed character designs and backgrounds. The manga is well made with high-quality paper and printing, making it a pleasure to read and display. The plot is engaging and fast-paced, keeping you hooked from the beginning to the end. Number 2. Nintendo Switch Neon Blue-Red Joy-Con. Introducing the Nintendo Switch, a versatile console designed to fit your life. Experience gaming freedom like never before. Enjoy 3 distinct play modes: TV mode for immersive home entertainment, tabletop mode for shared fun, and handheld mode for gaming on the go. Its 6.2-inch multi-touch capacitive screen brings your games to life with stunning visuals. Interact directly with your games like never before. With 4.5 to 9+ hours of battery life, you can enjoy longer gaming sessions. The actual duration will vary based on your gameplay. Connect wirelessly via Wi-Fi for exciting multiplayer experiences. Link up to 8 consoles for local wireless multiplayer fun with friends. What we like. Enjoy unparalleled gaming flexibility with its 3 distinct play modes: TV, tabletop, and handheld. The vibrant touchscreen and long battery life mean your gaming sessions can go wherever you do. If you value versatility and want to play your favorite games at home or on the go, this console offers a unique and adaptable gaming experience. What people say. The story is great and the art is amazing. I love the way the author writes Sung Jinwoo's character development. This volume is a fantastic introduction to the solo leveling series. The world building is intriguing and the action sequences are well written. Number 1. Puduo 36-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Experience a crystal clear finish with our newly formulated epoxy resin. It's designed to be bubble-free, ensuring your artwork looks stunning every time. This resin is incredibly strong, abrasion-resistant, and durable. Plus, its UV resistance ensures your creations stay vibrant and protected from yellowing. Achieve a beautiful high-gloss finish that extends the life of your projects. It's ideal for protecting your artwork with its resistance to heat and scratches. Whether you're working on large or small projects, its ideal cure time is perfect for casting, coating, jewelry, crafts, and more. Meet food-grade standards with this low-odor formula, making it safe for everyone. Enjoy a glossy, transparent finish with ease. This kit includes everything you need to start creating right away. All the necessary tools are provided for a quick and easy beginning to your artistic journey. What we like. Achieve stunning, crystal clear results with this newly formulated epoxy resin. Its bubble-free and anti-yellowing properties ensure your creations look professional and last longer. If you're a resin artist, jewelry maker, or DIY crafter looking for a reliable, easy-to-use resin that delivers a high-gloss, durable finish, this kit is perfect for bringing your artistic visions to life. What people say. The story is amazing and the art is beautiful. This volume collects the first 12 chapters of the webcomic, which is a great starting point for new readers. The physical book itself is high quality with a sturdy cover and crisp pages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.